Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Finance. Today, we are tackling how to build wealth when interest rates are sky high, like what we are experiencing right now. If rising rates have you worried, stick around. I've got strategies to turn this challenge into an opportunity. First things first, high interest rate means borrowing costs go up, making loans and credit more expensive. On the flip side, savings accounts and CDs might offer better returns. So let's dive into how you can leverage this to grow your wealth. Number one, you should pay down high interest debt. Focus on clearing credit card debt and personal loans. These are some of the very high interest expense products. So reducing debt will save you money on interest and frees up cash for personal use and for better investments. Number two, refinance loans. Check if you can refinance your mortgage or car loan to lower your interest rates. Lower payments can free up funds for investing as well. Number three, consider investing in fixed income securities. Fixed income securities, simply referring to bonds and CDs. They become more attractive when the interest rates are higher. Consider adding these to your portfolio for steady returns with minimum to no risk. Number four, build an emergency fund. With higher interest rates, saving money can actually earn you more. Ensure you have a robust emergency fund to avoid relying on costly debt. There's a few banks that offer savings account where you can put your money into and withdraw them at any time you want. High savings account typically pay around 5% or even higher, which is a great way to invest and preserve your money. Number five, explore alternative investments. Look into real estate or commodities. Diversifying can balance your portfolio and provide growth opportunities. Number six, increase your income streams. Find side gigs that can bring in additional sources of income. More cash means that you will have more bullets when the economy is not doing well. So yeah, all in all, high interest rates don't have to be a hurdle. By paying down high interest rate debt, refinancing smartly, investing in fixed income securities, building your savings, exploring new investments, and boosting your income, you can turn these financial conditions into opportunities instead of challenges. So this is what I have for you today. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to leave comments down below. I will reply to every comment. With that being said, thanks again for watching, stay savvy, and I will see you in the next video.